Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP, yeah, a couple of changes we could make to the chart, but overall we haven't really seen a major change in the scenario. We are still here focused on the downside. We are expecting lower lows based on the chart structure in general. Yeah, this is just one of the weakest charts that I have here in my rotation. Yeah. Still expectation that from the high here, which we made at around 39 cents, we came down in an impulse to the downside, a 5-wave move. No, sorry, it was actually leading diagonal to the downside in a wave 1. And that we either completed the wave 2 here at 36 cents, or that we will move a little bit higher and that we are only here in an ABC pattern. And we talk about that in a minute. But the way the view would be that overall then we get down in a wave 3, move up in a 4 and come down in a 5 to complete this last impulse, hopefully to the downside, which will end the bear market. This is the bearish scenario. Is there a bullish one? Yes, but I've put it below the carpet again just because it is just so unlikely. We briefly talked about it again when I think it was when we moved up here in the wave A, but the condition has always been that we need to break above, as a minimum, above the 37.6 cent level. That is the 88.7% FIB level. We need to break above this level. And the latest spike here, the latest peak at 39 cents, now requires actually that we break above this level, because this was a wave 4 high. So unless we really take out this level, 39.5 cents, we have to remain focused on the downside. I mean, to be fair, already if we can hold the 88.7% FIB level at 37.6 cents, yes, okay, we can consider something more bullish already. But again, in the end, we need to take out this wave 4 high. So until that's the case, we focus on the downside. Here, the wave count, a wave 1 down. Anyway, here we could say the wave 2 up was finished, ABC, yeah, and that we are already coming down in wave 3. You can see the subwaves here. This was probably, yeah, we still wait for one leg down. So if we see one more move down now, it is actually quite likely that we are already in the wave 3. Then we are able to count 5 waves down. That would be probably the first wave of the third wave. And then we will expect 3 waves up, and we'll come down in a third wave of the third, normally quite bearish, and so on. Yeah. So ideally what we want to see now is a 5th wave down. You might be able to, no, you can't really count it. I mean, it is difficult. I wouldn't want to count it. We don't have a reliable 5th wave yet. A target for a 5th wave, and again, we're getting here into the space of micro counting really, but based on what we see here, we could expect a target for the 5th. A reasonable one would be the 32 cent level, the 1.618 extension. And however, if we don't see that, what do we expect then? If we don't see a 5th down, we have to expect that we will move higher here in the alternative wave 2 range. Because how would we count it then? If we don't see 5 waves down, we have to assume that we have here a 3-3-5 pattern or a 5-3-5 pattern. Basically, that this was only a wave A, and I'll change the color in a minute, that we've come down in a B, and that we're going to move up in a C, which will then complete the wave 2. Basically, that we have a bit of an extended wave, wave 2. That is then the wave count here in yellow. Maybe I change that into yellow as well, just to make that clear. So this would be the yellow count, A, B, C. And we have 3 waves now, so this could be finished. That move down, that wave B. So when can we be more certain that we actually go up? Well, we would need to be looking here at 2 key levels. It is the wave 4 high here in white at 34.4 cents and the wave 1 in white, which is the 34.7 cent level. If we break above these, it is very likely that this move down in white is finished and we are moving up in wave C in yellow. Yeah, and where could we get to in wave C in yellow? We can take a look at that as well. We take for that the Fibonacci retracement levels of the wave 1 that you can see there in white. And we would be expecting, I mean, ideally we don't want to go higher in a wave 2 than the 78.6% Fib level, so not much higher than 37.5 cents. That would be a level where I think it's reasonable to expect this wave 2 to finish. Surely could go a bit higher without invalidating it, but the thing is always, if you go above or below the 78.6% Fib level, it is very unlikely that it is still a reliable wave 2. Okay, and that's my update about XRP. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and also check out the channel membership. Thank you. Bye bye.